I am so excited that I found this. This will be one of the most unique pieces of the whole build. Hey guys, it is so good to see you. In today's video, we're going to open all the packages that have arrived for the BMW. I haven't opened any of them, not even this one that I'm most excited for, because I wanted to do that with you guys. Yeah, I would say we saved the best for last, work our way through all the parts for the BMW, and then in the end, we'll open the one from Mass Moto. And I'll give you a hint, it is handcrafted, made from stainless steel, and hopefully makes a beautiful noise. I'll also use this opportunity to check all the parts that have arrived off my build sheet. So let's get going. Right, let's start with the first package. Nice. These are black adjustable rear shocks from YSS. Maybe today or tomorrow I'll continue with the build and put in all these parts to see how they fit. All right, next. This package is from a company called BMW Buyer, and I have bought some progressive fork springs. These are actually tiny. I mean, I thought it would be way bigger, but anyways. Progressive fork springs are built in a way that the more the fork compresses, the harder the resistance gets, and that is supposed to dramatically increase handling as well as like preventing the bike from bottoming out. And I think on the BMW it's fairly easy to switch them out. And then I also got a kind of oil change kit, which comes with liquid moly engine oil, drive shaft oil, and the fork oil, because obviously I'm going to rebuild the forks when switching out the springs. And it comes with all the filters you need. So that's super handy because you have everything that you need. Then high quality, and it is cheaper than buying everything individually. So that's why I went for this. Let's check those off. All right, let's open this next. I'm excited to see how this one looks. Let's see. Nice. This looks so good. So this is another part that is supposed to drastically increase handling. The BMW has a master cylinder underneath the tank, which I think is very nice because it makes the handlebars super clean, but it comes with downsides. First of all, it is like 40 years old, and obviously the technology has so much improved that it can't really hold up with today's standards. Also, which is I think more concerning, is that the old ones are very prone to leakage, and they are supposed to be very hard to repair. So yeah, I thought, okay, I am going to switch it. But then this is one of the parts I spent the most time researching, because there aren't many parts that are legal for road use in Germany. This one is also not certified, but it is used in Ducatis and Moto Guzzis when they are fabricated, so I guess it should be fine. We'll see if we get it through the certification. This is very sleek, all black, goes very well with the handlebar setup, and then this one will go on top. I need to fabricate a little mount. I really like it. This one looks very clean. There are others that have like a bulky square brake fluid reservoir. So yeah, I really like this one. All right, check. Let's see what we have next. Let's go for this one. Enough playing around. Oh, I love the companies that put in like little sweets or anything like that. Super nice. All right, so this is the handlebar, I guess. I think shopping for handlebars is so difficult. I don't know if it's the same for you, but I can't imagine how they will feel or look like with all the measurements. Let me know if it's the same for you. This one was a struggle to find because I couldn't really decide which way to go. It determines so many things, so many factors. It determines how you sit, how you feel on the bike, how the bike handles. I mean, now if you get a bad bar, then you're screwed, I guess. Yeah, it's actually not that wide. Oh no, I think I need to fit it on the bike and see how it feels, also with the seat. I mean, it's not the most expensive part of the bike and also not the hardest part to change. So if I don't like it in the end, I guess I just switch it out. I like the look. The only problem is that on this one, you're not allowed to drill holes for the cables to run inside and then come out like somewhere here. I don't know, maybe I'll be able to hide it from the official certification bureau, wherever, like the TÜV, where we Germans have to go to get bikes and cars certified, but we'll see. Nice. Thanks, guys. One thing I wanted to add about these bars and parts in general. So I looked for these handlebars. I found them at a company for 100 euro, and then I looked a little bit further and I found this one for 65. It is the exact same product, but way cheaper. I had the same experience with other products, especially like buying them off eBay. I know that if you have a shop that is dedicated to custom bikes and stuff like that and really does a good job offering good products, then I'm up for supporting them, and I would say you do the same if you can afford it. But if there are two companies offering the same product, then I would say go for the cheaper one. Just a little tip. Yeah, nice. Ooh. Ah. 2 packages, 2 bags of Haribos. So this one, I don't know if you can guess what it is. I guess you can by the name Ultra Bat, whatever. This one is a battery, strong enough to start the BMW. Let me get the old one and show you the difference in size. This one is the old one, this one the new one. That is so crazy. And this one weighs about, like, I don't know, 3 to 5 kilograms. This one is maybe 800 grams. Oh no, I haven't weighed them, but this one not only has enough power, but also comes with so much technology. It has very short charging cycles. It has like a lot of security inside, and you never have to worry about discharging. Yeah, this one is perfect from the specs, and we'll see how it holds up in the build. Check. What is next? How does this one open? So this one is the new clutch lever, and I was especially looking for a very clean looking mount. So this one does not have threads for mirrors or any buttons or anything. So yeah, I'm super happy with the look, and it goes well with the Brembo brakes. Number 2, this is a Tomaselli throttle grip, and I actually had to search quite a while to find this one, because I find that most of the throttle grips are just ugly. Like either they're made from plastic or like some kind of weird chrome, or just ugly. And this one is very clean looking, very sleek. And yeah, one thing for the BMW that is also very good, it has 2 intakes for throttle cables, because the BMW runs 2 throttle cables, 1 to each carb. You could connect them somewhere in the middle. I got this one from NCT Motorcycles. They are also building many custom bikes, and they have a shop with very selected items for BMWs. And this is one of them. They use it all the time, so I think we should be good to go. Nice. This is another one that I was super excited about. It is the... No! Yes! Cool, that's so nice. It is the quad lock handlebar mount, and actually I presented the project and my plans for the bike to the guys over at Quadlock, and they were so excited that they offered to sponsor this handlebar mount. But then look at this. They also gave us a wireless charger. So this is so nice. I mean, like, I expected to get the basic setup, but this includes everything. They included one of these, which is, I guess, like a rain and mud cover. So nice. This is something I asked for because it has a blue leather thing. I asked them if they could include a black one, just to match the whole handlebar situation. And then this one is a vibration damper. I can't actually, I can't believe it. I'm really looking forward to installing that. And for this, I also bought a Optimate USB kit. I got this from Amazon. It is super nice because this one provides 3300 mega ampere, which enables you to fast charge your phone. Otherwise, my Samsung takes like, oh no, 4 hours, 5 hours to be charged. It is water resistant and detects whether your bike is running or not. And if your bike isn't running, then it stops charging, so you don't like discharge your bike battery. And it has some other things. I don't know, you can see how full your bike battery is and stuff like that. But with the Moto Gadget M unit, I don't need that. This is so nice. It feels a bit like Christmas. Next. I went with the Daytona Velona 2, and this is tiny. It's only 6 centimeters in diameter. Has all the functions, is very sleek, black, simple. This one is another part where, with a little bit of Googling, I could save quite some money, so it is worth it, especially with the like higher end parts. So yeah, this one looks very nice. This is a fork rebuild kit. There are different things inside here. So annoying I had to buy this. This is for the handlebar, a handlebar lock. Then a new ignition lock. I'm going to mount one like very hidden somewhere where the battery goes. This is a carb seal kit. This one is the speedometer transmission cable. This one is an electrical one that needs to be installed in order for this one to run. And then this tiny thing. This is some special lubricant for some engine parts. Right, we are, I would say, more than halfway through. Here, these are the grips I got. And what is this? Ah, nice, okay. These are the new foot peg mounts. Unfortunately, the foot pegs I want to install weren't in stock, so I need to wait on those. But we can go ahead and install the joints and see how everything fits. And then this is just a mini horn. Anyway, it looks like a horn. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, we're getting closer to the Mass Moto package. 4 packages left. How do you say? License plate light, tiny. I think I need to pay attention that I don't lose this one. Oh, those look nice. Cool. These are, woo! More Haribo. Haribo in English, Haribo. Rear indicators, 3 in 1 actually. So they are not only indicators, but also tail light and brake light. Some stickers. If anyone's interested in getting some stickers, let me know in the comments so I can send them to you. And this one is the complete engine seal kit. I've also used these seals from the same company on my YZ rebuild. So they're very nice, and you can, well, check out how the YZ build came along here, or you head over to motorranches.com and read the whole story on my blog. Check this one off. I have more packages, but nothing on my list, so let's see what this one is. It has nothing to do with the BMW. I mean, a handcrafted So this is, I guess, just the interference. I don't know how to say this in English, but the tube that goes in between. Ooh, nice. Damn, they look so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Woohoo, nice. I mean, look at this.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way out the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E&J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and the dumb face.
They did such a great job. Oh man, this looks so nice. I can't believe it. Awesome, this is awesome. I love it. Number 2, I think I'm in love. I really like the clean line of it. This one is the inner tube that connects both exhaust pipes. So this is what we all have been waiting for. The 2-in-2 handcrafted stainless steel Mass Moto exhaust system. I'm so excited that I found this. This will be one of the most eye-catching parts of the whole build, I think. I really wanted to have a special exhaust system because I don't want to have just another slip-on that like every other build also uses. And once I found Mass Moto in Italy, I was completely sold. A few things about this exhaust system. So first and foremost, it looks amazing. I really like the look. It's so clean, short, aggressive. It has removable DB heaters. And what makes this so special is that it is road legal in Europe. Let me know what you think. Another very important thing is this little tube. It connects both pipes, and if you get an exhaust system that doesn't have this tube, then you lose a lot of power. So them having this built into their system is very crucial. I also have to say that the guys over at Mass Moto are super cool. They're super chilled. The delivery was super quick for a handmade exhaust. So I really recommend if you ever want to get a special exhaust system, check their site out. Maybe they have one for you. I'm just so stoked. So nice. So with the exhaust system and all the other parts unpacked, I think we can wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed all the parts. I am super stoked to finally put them on the bike. Next week, we're going to disassemble the BMW, so hit the subscribe button to become part of this awesome journey. And if you want to know why I chose a BMW R80, click my last video. You'll definitely enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the end of the video. Bye. I never know what to say in the outros. I think that will come over time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.